Hey guys, it's Mr. Gully. So now that we've seen what a sample looks like, it's time to make one. So we'll need R's open friendly reminder inside your eTech folder, or Essential Technology. You should have a website folder, and within that should be your website. I also want you to be aware that I did create an images folder, and inside of that images folder, obviously, are images that I'm going to use. So let's take a look at how we do this. The first thing I want you to be aware of is in the upper right hand corner here where it says themes. You can get more customized colors by clicking in the paint bucket there, and then I can click down here and start picking very specific colors that I want to use. So it does give you more choice for the backgrounds, but not so much the text. So if we are inserting, I'm going to go ahead and click text box. And the first one is a subheading, and this is for your quote. And I'm going to type mine now. It's important we give credit to whoever says it. Obviously, you'll come up with a quote, find something that actually does motivate and inspire you. One other thing I wanted you to be aware of with text box is if I click the color palette over here, I could do one of these emphasis and change, the appearance. And this one makes it slightly gray, but that's another option that you have. And if you look back to my sample, you'll notice I used that a few different times. But you want to keep your colors natural, okay? So they kind of go together like a baseball uniform or something where the colors actually go together. Next thing, these little templates are super helpful, so I'm going to use this one for my images. Now, when you're downloading your images, they're going to save into the Google Drive. So our best option is from Drive. So I can just click from Drive, and then we're going to go to that same folder. So I double click eTech, I double click website, and I double click images, and there we go. So I could do, for example, this one. I click on it, and then I click insert, and there's the image. You do these the same way for GIFs, memes, any types of images like that. That's how you bring an image in. The other thing I wanted to show you with the images is, well, how do I link these? So the first thing I'll need is a website that I actually want to link. So mine has to do with climbing the 14ers or hiking the 14ers in Colorado. So now that I have my link, I can come back to my demo. I'm going to click on my picture. So I just have the picture part, and then I'm going to click the link, and now I can do Control V and hit apply. So now it's actually linked. So when people are on the website looking at this, they hover over the picture, they'll be able to click this and it'll take them directly to that website. Now I didn't care for the little boxes much, so I got rid of those, but it's up to you. Maybe there's some text you want to put, and anytime you want text, you just click in there and add your text. So that's how mine looked, and I linked all my pictures. The next part I used a divider here. There's two ways to do dividers. I used a text box, but you could actually use a line divider, and you can just click it and see if you like that. But I wanted to have a little more text in mine, kind of separating them. So it's the same way. I'm back in insert, and I just click text box, and I'm going to use a subheading again. So I typed in my subheading, and you can see it says subheading there. If I wanted to, maybe I was using headings and I was making it bigger. I don't care for that color, but you get the idea. So you pick yours, then you can do an emphasis again, and it'll kind of give some uniformity to yours as well. And then for me, on my next one, I went with 3 images, and this is, whoops, I don't have to, I just click it, and they come in. To get the GIFs, it's the same way. I'm just clicking here. I can go from Drive, and it's going to take me right back through that process of going into my eTech folder, my website, images, and then I would have saved one, and I would insert it. And that's how I got the GIFs in. Next is embedding a video from YouTube. So you're going to find something motivating and inspiring. If I just click on it, it says YouTube. And then I can just use the link. So it comes from this. It's Noah and the Whales, the group. So all I need to do is get a copy of the link. So I can hit copy here. And now if I go back to my website and Control V, there it is. I click on it and hit select. And just like that, it embeds the video for me. That's how you embed a video. So you could do a whole bunch of videos if you would like to find some that motivate you, make you laugh, whatever the case may be. In my last piece of my website, I did a text box, a button, and then this other part comes for a theme. So let's look at how we do a theme. So first I click the text box and do subheading, and I'll add text right now. And I'm going to give it the same uniformity. Now on the last one, I went with this over here, and this way I can put an image here, I can put text here, or a title there, and then I can put more text right here. What I'm going to focus on is the button though, because you know how to add a picture and you know how to add text. So to add the button, all I'm going to do is scroll down. It says button right here, and then I have two options. I'm going to put the name of the button, and I could say article here. And then all I need is the link right here. So this was the article that I had found, so I'm going to just copy the link, and then I'm going to come back to my website and then Control V and click Insert. There's my button. The only thing different I did on mine is I just moved it so it was attached with the picture. And then I can go ahead, put my title here. Down here I can do a little bit of writing about maybe what the article is, and then add a picture here. So this gives you the tools of how to do it. The friendly reminder I would give you, make yours unique to you. Does yours have to look just like this? No. Does your button have to be an article that you read? No. It could bring you to a favorite website of yours, whatever the case may be. Does yours have to have this structure to it? No. I want yours to be your voice and to be something that you really enjoy. You do need these tools in here. You want to use these, but make it how you want it. It's your homepage. I want your homepage to be your favorite page that is an expression of you, your creativity, your design. So please, as you make yours, have fun with it. Honestly, I had fun making mine. I really like this, and I hope you like yours too. You can go ahead and get started.